What's good, YouTube? A USA Today post reveals that Dwight Howard will sign with the Houston Rockets. The Houston Rockets finally get the player they have wanted since last year. So it should be interesting how well the Rockets do. You have Jeremy Lin, Chandler Parsons, you have James Harden, you got Jeremy Lin, and you got Omer Asik, who was a nice little surprise this year. But it'd be interesting to see how well they're gonna do. It would be nice to see if the Warriors would have been able to make cap space inside Dwight Howard, but that obviously didn't work out. But Dwight Howard is reported to be signing with the Houston Rockets. They finally get the player they have wanted since last year. Should be interesting. Let me know what you guys think about D. Howard going to Houston. I personally didn't think of the Lakers should re-sign him, but it is what it is. Have a good one, YouTube, and I'm pretty sure the Rocket fans are excited. Have a good one. Let me know what you guys think.